Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send application from one Android phone to another Android phone. Okay, to send application, we have to use the Google Play Store. So you can open your Play Store application on your phone. And then you're going to tap on your profile button right here on the top right corner of your screen. And then click on Manage Apps and Device. It's over here. Okay, and here we can send application from our Android phone. You just need to tap on send. Okay, and you can select application you would like to send to another Android phone. So for example, I'm gonna go with InShot. You can select more than one application, and after you're done selecting the application, you can click on the send button. Okay, and here you can read the instruction. Ask the receiver to go to receive apps in Google Play, and their device will show up here. They will also be able to send application to your device, and after the receiver device appear right here, you will be able to send your application to that device. Alright guys, and that's how we can send application from one Android to another Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.